A young woman was walking home from work one evening. On her way, she noticed a tiny injured bird lying weakly by the base of a tree. The poor bird looked so fragile, it might have died if no one helped. Feeling compassion, the woman gently picked up the bird. She brought it home and began nursing it back to health. Day by day, with her care and love, the bird miraculously recovered. Over time, the bird became very close to her and showed its gratitude. It would chirp happily whenever she was around, as if saying thank you. The woman decided to adopt the bird and gave it a new life. Now it lives happily with her and the other birds she cares for.